Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Menyini abusuafo me pese ansane ye be hyase na de ba kon pese obi atiase ne se enya afi na asede obi betia obi na aso na ne ye pese obi atiase ne se wotie mewure ya samwa wakan ye miwure ya samwa wakan ne mewure idea wakan ye 25,000 Ghana cedis 12,000 cedis and then 8,000 cedis, all summing up to be 45,000 cedis. When can you just imagine the quantum of people who are not talking? Now, these are the falsehood. Yes, I like in your preambolic synopsis you talked about and your person penny da depending da ho. If you say nipa be brain until you the frame say and entria and homasa womkon according to Proverbs chapter 7. And me person me quote just 3 different scriptures in the book, all in the book of Jeremiah. The first one is Jeremiah 4:22. The Bible said, if you say me my Jimmy, utia somewhere, okaza meme, next week we go crusade na, and opena make okay FM say, Father, I am a ferry for. Itiem preacher am son me hona next week me go crusade. The ten said yem pebia wa bontene, wa beto de to de. Na Adia was yet yes, and so we can come back remember to you. You know, me my Jimmy, ya man kwasia for. Just say, bonu nyansa for papa yenim. That is where we have come. Kenkai Jeremiah 4:22 kan o mi nti.
If you say my Jimmy, wonim me, wa ya man kwasia for, na wonim hunumu. You know,
my second scripture will be Jeremiah chapter 5 verse 30. Or can send be now a young who say me my penisa. Can you do?
But I say a humble DNA, a hujri DNA, a
body and a hujri dear.
Now I am assassin. A defortion control.
Defortion control.
Now, so for now, 1 hour sudi one cook or swasem. Now, me man so
penisa.
Now, so we are no more than
my sister is a me catcher and say, Basra Sunday. On for only 1,000 Ghana mebwa for the boy, your bono afimun annual harvest here and Quebecers will nippy. But yes, yeah, done a buska cocoa. At the end, is what we call, magic, mystics, etherealism. This is what is going on. Woman can show me Montreal, so a woman to me as I am. Yeah, do a free bag him, turn a bag around. Now I see him, no my yet now a boo be up here. Now we see these magicians and tough you for and in Konya you for in the house of God. So now the house of God has been turned into a place of exploitation, a place for deception, manipulation, and seduction. Now I will always say, I'm in Crawford now. Now in Crawford, Bunny Pafaso all over the place. My last scripture, Jeremiah chapter 23:13. Then I bring my submission to a close. Now, one day, Musika Nigeria, Ebinum Yatiwa Mudro Sumuahoma. That's the kind of people. Now, don't take it that these false people are illiterates. Don't ever think they are fools. Never think they are novices. They are smart guys. They are organized criminals. They wear suits. They drive nice cars. They speak well. They are articulate. They live in mansions. They disseminate. And what you may be, confused about, they say, "Omo they are doye in the decay." So you will miss the whole thing. And they are doing it. I said, yeah, wow. I said, yeah, so and sene. I said, yeah, pejao. I said, yeah, tumwo. That is what they do. A different for Ghana hammer. If you ask me, say a different Ghana or Hamunchichemu, you put it into or Hamunchichemu 100% here. I can tell you, sir, almost about 79% are fake. They are false. They do not exist in the callings of God. When I mean they have turned church to business. Turn church to business. Yes, free cars as me. No more can your woman super, but we want you to know whether you like it or not. If it is Sabreya to buy next year, every year, when I'm in power on to market, you will be kum.
Yes, sir.
That is the truth. Now you say, and this young lady into a young mobile, 25,000 cities, if in chain, and then you flaunt cars in our faces. You drive a Bentley, a Rolls Royce. You talk madness all over the place, and you want us to salute you. Jeremiah
23:13. Now, Samuel ready for him. Mahunum kwasi asem.
Mahunum kwasi. As my sister, okay, Jimmy Sam. We grab your way and the light. And kwasi asem. Samaria. Ghana ne Kumasi ne nkran edifunim. Ebabi awakoshe santo. These guys are fraudsters, scammers, criminals, blatant liars. Tianye, we are not joking. One mama near now. Sister has a more Kabaka story been here. Go see a day or my pack and baby Sylvia. Then you know we are not joking. We can't babble. What the Samaria did for my who dear? What the ball a shank come my phone.
Jerusalem a deal for him.
Jerusalem a deal for him.
Was say our dear.
Was say our dear. Oh yeah, was send the boy for sudden.
Said a bear no beer.
I know a big Bokura no crown would you for Bompire. As a cop now would buy about baby tree. Yan Mewa is a minia by Intiminia ban was met me a hero anymore boozy. Seminia Bearman who met me a hero and him a boozy. Now may catch him for this woman tea pa bonnet naketia. God will not relent on that. Bonnet. We need these guys to get that revelation that they are fake, they are fraudsters, they are scammers, organized criminals. Willie can see.
Said ya be no be around Sunny and Finny Bonnie. When you now done me says Sodom.
Why I say Sodom?
Nemu for Gomorrah. And Safarade a canoe deal for Nuni. Shamarima one Bonuno Eddie.
Oh, I'm a deep Bonuno Pan, Sana Cristo Yesu.
Mamma, a bro in so annum.
One more benum body so. You will end with Lamentations 2:14, and I want to say this now. You know, I'm telling this people who was carpet. You may be for you 25,000. Sister, let me name so over 25,000. Seriously, me how I name so over 25,000. Atama makre brief for your discaya say no. It is so sad. Now, some will report to because it is entangled or intertwined or intricated to spirituality. It doesn't have too much basis of evidences and all that.
Papa, they are okay. Yabusa police. I'm Pamako police station.
Sir?
I Omako police station CID headquarters. It's Yabomodi say Benya police for our line so. Now one more call you know. I'm so my dance any be akuta on the police for no. I'm funny serious but could be a woman ha. May try say a bebo and also. Or so fully be na no kasaye. Etre say Oma obinko 2 gold nyasa obebo ne damo so bekuno. Na oyebi mo bi o UK. Ni bakro no kokko fa ho kokko di sika no so kwase san no. Wakuna to action. Wow. Enti se ye ka spiritual ampa huhum wasem no ye kokote beka se ni adanse but the nipa na bie na no aka se wakuno atwene so we ubia wa no ka se wakum obi atwene se ni ba kokra me ye report kra na so ye wudini eti e wo sembra ne ka bibi eti e betwe police for so fam de e bra ye nya sa voice ndi atoso
me ma me awira wo sem wo as I bring my submission to a close and say awira wo sem wo mu ne say e Christopher ankasa no me dwene ye ho a mentimi nte dodo na ase wo bompa ya nyame betie wo gina awurade ani mudie e sansa ye nya ya dwene se ye betimi abobra etene se de awurade asem esusu ni nti. That is why we run from place to place looking for help. And you know, these people may go to all these foster homes and all these kind of things and go and show your benevolence to them. We can Lamentation
chapter 2 verse 14. I try na de ni so ade and we di for hunu kire wo.
atro ene nada as my sister see any brother atro ne nada finish read
na wa anyi wo mum yo no so
wo bone de wo mon kan kire
so de mu no mu besane aba
read
na atro ne nsama e ma wo fom na wo hunu kire
wo aniema me ni perform wo the gold abeshe me fee what me 250 million na the gold abeshe me fee wo gold do fake gold do phone eye adwuma ara angoton wa wo gold emfa and we sit and look at these criminals and they are in our country. No wonder Parliament is talking about regulating people. Now, I think about that kind of regulation. I think about it. How can an unbeliever regulate a spiritual entity like the church? How can they regulate a church? These are criminal acts. The police should be arresting this guy by now. Don't wait until things get out of hands.
I'm saying I just incommode your friend in the home. Yenyanum be musica quack jemu. Also for cum. When you saw the hour calendar so. Sicako in under was one.
Or say,
one
calendar so. Mahupa.
Sicako corner was on.
There be
Sicako corner that from no.
Okay.
Who for one?
Who say, also for can be na many a jung power. Nansense Michelle TV be. Na Michelle ya pa na or confu be. Na or the what the war and what tip a haban be brain or the good TV na so was what to make than a haban Emma habane daniska and I'm say near wa confor Ghana ma confor than a haban me yiska adana Ghana buying to me call India China ekwaji loan ko US kwaji loan kuma se kwansu ya haban go bebre takura de kwanso ebiguo na ke ya kotwetwa ni nyina ne de abegu stadium na ka dani sika e de amagana ni nyina no ene TV ene radio ni bi yeyi magic wo so
ai kum ya ka TV ni radio a te say wo say me your sofo ba wo your sofo eti we ya wonye na dia ye share in common wonye ni say te say no mo penso edifo no no can ho how my Ghana because na miracle
yes
sister kum say now we are miracles but we been a one rule we been one year when you say miracle no Tony Petrim esni nyamesam enunti enipa ne perish ankwaje no na wo pe miracle wo pentamanya ne ho
who say ade ba ko ai wo me say osofo bi nyame afre no odi kan ema word ansa na miracle no aba because Matthew 6:33 say hwehwe nyame ahinie ene ne tre ne kane na wode de aka ebema yakwa asole a miracle de enye sofo na eye nyame na eye yakwa asole kopre ye nkwaje sadache miwu amenya nkwa masesa mabrabo na de aka bia no onyankopon ede aka ho ede amon ene enye miracle nyina ne yedi akile because okay Jude 1:4 was ye be wiawia wo ho abanyame sumu na Paul ni Peter ne momre so nyina no na ye watro difo na ebi ema lotto numbers ebi masikaduro papa bi ane yefra ne ba Jesus what can Acts 13 verse 6 to 10 na wa yes ane yamani bi ewo ho na titimure mo nyina yes ane yamani bi ewo ho eti wo kwa asole no ma wani na ho so they say wa ma wani ana wa su awurade yesem 17:11 was a Judah for na wo ho no yes one wo Thessalonica wo ye won yem perfect Paul wasem da bia wo hwehwe ba abrumu eto da bi na wo fie na menu aba wo tie awurade wani TV sade America na wo bi gina so say mema lotto number sign 50 cedi eto MTN na wono ma lotto number ema edia ada na won fa ma free na Jesus sign 50 Ghana eto moba maneso ansana
nka no nya weekend we ba ko ne twam no na weekend ne okofodua na ohema Messi na sedafem etime na me okofodua na menya daje ehwe television every say me weekend me de school eti weekend a man ko school na menya emukwan no me hwe de twam ewo wiase papa me flippy TV stations na eyekwasiada no anopa ansa na yekoye ewufusom misuye sa onipa misuye sa oba efise obi begina television so ebedi adanse so foti akonwam na de ya me ya mesu so for yere no omote couch emu ewo podium ne so for yere tene nchen na so for ne te ho na nipa tsanka papa wo preachi na wuli ɛna kan Bible na say OMC ɛna nipa na begina ho no obodi a na ne mra na bi so ɔde ato ne ho na ɔka de akyerɛ nipa na ho no say wɔbɛtɔ oil na oil no wɔde akye mugu kum jaja ne mugu
ɔde akye den
mugu
ade sɛ me wi a wo kyerɛ me
mugu no yɛ te sɛ obi a wae na za aborɔfo na wɔn akyi wɔn sakawa no
okay
iti yɛ fa sɛ wayɛ ojimifo sɛ hausa ni ka sɛ woyɛ mugu a na kyerɛ woyɛ nipa fon
okay
eti wakye mugu ama mugu no na wadre na sɛ wade credit card bɛma na yɛ shopping waya ne ma ɔtɔ oil no papa wade fa ne phone so frɛ mugu the credit card na ba ama wade yɛ shopping ɛwɔ television so
my God.
na papa baako bi wɔne deɛ sɛ na nka me wɔn kran a ɛka me frɛ ASP Julia no benom police for ma meti wa mo ɛne yɛ kɔ asɔre kɔkɔkye no deɛ nti anka mkɔkye ne sɛ wɔse wɔkuta oil asɔre dem ho oil ni bi nti wɔtɔ ade a wɔntua ka wɔforo kaa wɔntua wɔtɔ ade a yɛnyi ne sika ɛnyɛ sɛ wɔde akyɛ no wɔbring wɔn so sɛ wɔntimi ɛmfa and yɛ preach way and the miracles
by wonim say mame police for no enwo nyina ebi ye good and all edifo asam a yeken ene malamfo no ebi no masam a yeken ene akonfo ni bi asam a yeken ah na ebi di ivrapo a enyem ivrapo no se wo bi esokura wa yenta na wonu de ko na de akoto commander anim na no de ko na de akoma oni papa ni bi a wodi mu eti wo ye den mame wo ye den wa kani pa na sem so they say
Kumoy, let me chip this in yen ya makwan amansi hunufu ene dinse te se wo say na nka akwa bonten senka sisi wajai
me kopa
yeah you know because eniema ni bi wo hono mo ati eniema ni bi wo hono mo ya ma ho kwan na agentre ha say ye carbon anim ye yinten ye tufo ye we no mo anka boni ntimi nyintre ha say fa we baji we yenum ne ahase na afi you know akrebrifo ne nsemo ndifo yi wo ma ba baje asomu a wo mo de call the limits nia ye betimi aye ne se wonyame asafo betimi aye ne se yenko back to nchirechire obi wunu nyame asa me maami oye basiri ni ba me basiri mu ne ati me furuma se enchirechire pa de basiri mu na me nyafiriye na se enei obi ka kire me say me mfa bo 5 na me mo Yesu din 70 are you sick or something bo Yesu din Jesus who is sick alone noko what is this
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet